Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about 3D shapes, and in this lesson, we'll work with introduction of 3D shapes, that is cylinder, cone, and sphere, and then we'll work with some of the formulae to work with curved surface area and total surface area. So let's begin our lesson first with some warm-up questions. So you can pause the video here, try these questions, and once you're done, let's check the answers. So now let's check the answers. In the first one, we need to find the difference between the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. So the total surface area is 6a squared, and we need to take away the lateral surface area, that is 4a squared. So the answer is 2a squared. In the next one, we need to find the total surface area of a cuboid, and the dimensions are given to us. So using the formula to find the total surface area, putting all the values, the answer is 88 centimeters squared. In the third one, we need to find the lateral surface area of a cube, where the volume is given to us as 64 cubic meters. So volume is a cube. So finding the value of a, that is 4 meters. Now finding the value of lateral surface area by using the formula 4a squared, the answer is 64 meters squared. Not to forget that if you are working with area, the units need to be squared. If you've got the same answer, it's really wonderful. We are good enough to learn more about the shape of cone. Cone is a solid that has a circular base, as you can see in this picture, and a single vertex. If this vertex is over the center of the base, we call it a right circular cone. As you can see, it's forming a right angled triangle. However, if this is not the case, that's not exactly on the top and it's not forming a 90-degree angle with the base, it is called oblique cone. Now to find the volume of the cone, we use the formula 1/3 pi r square h. Lateral surface area is calculated by the formula pi r l, where l is the slant height here, and total surface area of the cone is pi r l plus pi r square, that is the area of the circular base. Well, if you want to calculate the value of L, you can find out by using the Pythagoras theorem, where h stands for the height and r stands for the base. Now you can pause the video if you want to memorize these formula really well, and then let's move ahead. Let's look at one example how to find the total surface area of a cone, where the radius is given as 3 centimeters and height is given 4 centimeters. So first thing that we'll find out is the slant height L. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we'll put all our values of height and radius, that is here. This is the altitude h and this is the base, that is r. So L is calculated as 5 centimeters. Now putting this in the formula of total surface area, that is pi r squared plus pi r l. So you get the answer as 75.36 centimeter square. You can pause the video, try this question on your own, and you can verify with the answer the complete solution provided here. Let's work with cylinder now. A cylinder is one of the most basic curvilinear geometric shape, which is formed by folding a rectangular sheet without overlapping. So this is how you see, and volume is calculated by using the formula pi r square h. Lateral surface area is 2 pi r h, where h is the height of the cylinder, and total surface area is calculated by adding lateral surface area to the area of the two circular bases on the top and on the base. So it's 2 pi r squared. You can use the value of pi as 3.14 or 22/7, whichever is convenient to you. Let's try one question to find the area of the cylinder. So here in this question, we need to find the area of curved surface and the total surface as well of a cylinder, where the height is given as 18 centimeters and radius is given 10.5 centimeters. So given that r is 10.5 and h is 18 centimeters respectively, using the formula of curved surface area as 2 pi r h, we get this value. And total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. Here we have taken common 2 pi r, and in the brackets we have h plus r left. So the answer is 1879.29 centimeters squared. You can again try this question on your own. Now let's know about sphere. A sphere is a perfectly round geometrical object in a three-dimensional space. So curved surface area of this sphere and the total surface area are basically the same things because we don't have any flat surface in a sphere. This is calculated by using the formula of 4 pi r square, and volume of this sphere is calculated by using the formula 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now again, pi is 3.14 or 22 over 7 and r is the radius of this given sphere. Let's try one question with sphere. Find the surface area of the sphere whose diameter is given to us. So if we are just given that we need to find the surface area, it's understood that it's like the total surface area of the curved surface area because it's having the same formula. So using the formula 4 pi r square, keeping all the values, the answer is 2464 centimeters squared. Now let's move ahead and try some practice questions. So you can pause the video, try all your questions, and when you're done with the questions, make sure that you check your answers with the answer slide provided at the end. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.